Want to sign up for Facetune? I'm Emily, and in this tutorial, I'll walk you through the steps to sign up for Facetune app. Let's get started. Open the Facetune application. Tap on the settings icon at the top right. Tap on Sign In at the bottom. You can choose how to sign up. There is with Google, email, or Facebook. I'm selecting email. Tap on it. Enter your email. Then tap on Continue. Then fill in the code sent to the email. Now tap on Continue after filling in the code. Now you can start using the application, and that is how you can create a Facetune account. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.